Friends and family, I would like you to check out blackcommunityspeak.com. Now, blackcommunityspeak.com is a forum-based website, so something that's very simple, where you can get on, you can get off, get involved with a lot of topics. Now, Black Community Speaks is a place that's for black men and women to talk about issues that's affecting the entire community. So on blackcommunityspeak.com, they talk about topics in the range of news, what's going on in society, relationships, technology, business, food and recipes, gaming, health and fitness, music, and many, many more. On Black Community Speak, it's a place where you can be safe to say what you want to say without the fear of big tech censorship. So make sure you head on over to blackcommunityspeak.com and sign up today.
Hello everyone, it's me, Demetra Kaye of the Demetra Kaye Show here on YouTube and a proud contributor of the African Diaspora News channel. If you could please do me a favor and subscribe to all channels and like this video, I would greatly appreciate it. So a woman by the name of Judy Huth is suing Bill Cosby in California for a sexual assault she said happened. Well, this is kind of where it gets tricky. At first, she said it happened in 1973 or 74. But now she's changed the timeline and changed her mind and saying that it actually happened in 1975. Now, she said originally she met Bill Cosby at a park in Los Angeles when he was filming Let's Do It Again with the late Sidney Poitier. And then a couple of days later, she met up with him again, her and her friend, and he gave her some alcohol. Now, mind you, she's saying in 1975, she was 15. Okay. So he gave her some alcohol, her and her friend, and then they went to, or he actually took them to the Playboy Mansion, and that's when the assault took place. Well, Cosby team is calling it an ambush because they're like, why does she get to change her mind on the year? Something's not right here, right? So they asked the judge to dismiss it, but the judge says, no, we're not going to dismiss it, but I will allow you all to give her another deposition to see if there's something else you can learn. And so Cosby's team will be able to depose her for about an hour. Okay, but again, so she said it happened in 1973 or 74, which would have made her a lot younger, right? Which is like, come on. But I want to say this. I'm not, saying it did not happen. I don't know. I wasn't there. But my thing is, I would just think, maybe I'm thinking too much. If something like that happened to you, wouldn't you at least know the year? Maybe the exact date would be fuzzy, but the year, you don't remember the year, and all of a sudden you're like, oh, okay, yeah, I do remember, because they're saying once she saw some evidence that was entered in by Cosby's team that showed, I guess, maybe he would have been there in 1975, but not the other years. She's saying, oh, okay, matter of fact, no, I was wrong. It was 1975, and so, again, his team is saying this is an ambush, it's not right, but it will go on May 23rd. Now, keep in mind, it is a civil case. It's not a criminal trial like the one before with Andrea Constand. It's a civil trial. I guess she's seeking some sort of monetary damages, but she did originally sue him in 2014, but Andrea Constand, I guess, sued him first. So she had to wait for her trial to go forward, and COVID was going on, and so now they are resuming the civil trial against that of Bill Cosby. So I'm hoping that it is not successful. I'm hoping whoever is going to rule, give a verdict on the trial, whether it's a jury or the judge, that they see that it is utter nonsense, that you should not be able to change your mind on the date because now you've seen someone else's evidence and think it's a bunch of bull caca. But anyway, we know how they do black men. Taking case in point is that of OJ. He got off on the murder rap, but then they wanted to come back with all these other, cases, and finally they got him on telling him, you stole your stuff, and so they gave him 10, 13 years or something like that, and he did most of those years. And so to me, this is just another way of saying, nah, we're not letting you off the hook. We gonna get you on something, because again, remember, Bill Cosby did get out of prison due to his constitutional rights being violated in the case with Andrea Constand. So a lot of people are upset. They want him, to answer for it. Now, he's also being sued by actress Lily Bernard. She actually played in an episode of The Cosby Show after she said his sexual assault of her took place. And so, We'll see anyway, y'all. So for more insightful commentary, please subscribe to this channel and my channel, The Demetra Kaye Show, here on YouTube. Peace. Hello, everyone. Please make sure you subscribe to the African Diaspora News Channel app on these platforms.